Alright, I've hooked up the terminals, hooked up the overflow pipe there, which you got to make sure that's hooked up, or you could send a lot of battery acid onto your black paint, which has been done before here. The battery strap's in place and everything's good to go. Let's see what happens when we try to start it. It's got two petcocks. We'll put them on. I'm not sure if I'm on reserve or not, and instead of looking, I'm putting the other side on reserve. And we got the throttle closed, starter button. Started right up. Alright, that's good. Be able to get some groceries with this. Weeks ago I got it started. The battery that was in it would only hold 10 volts, and I ran it until I warmed it up, but I just couldn't get that battery to hold a charge, or you couldn't get the electric start to operate. It was just dead, and kickstarting was a bitch, so I figured it was time to get a battery. Hey, what are you doing?